Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and locating the image you want to search. Right-click directly on the image. This triggers the browser menu with the search option. If the image is in a local folder, open it in File Explorer and drag it into Chrome to view. Make sure Chrome is up to date so the reverse image tools work reliably. Once done, you'll see options like Search Image on Google, which begins the lookup process instantly. You then choose the reverse image option. Click Search Image on Google from the right-click menu. If you prefer manual control, open Images. Google.com and click the camera icon to paste an image URL or upload the file. This helps with local images. Once submitted, Chrome shows visual matches, similar images, and web pages that include the image. Make sure to inspect sizes and source pages to verify authenticity and context, because matching thumbnails can be cropped or rehosted copies. To finish, refine the results using size and time filters or click Visually Similar to find variants. This helps locate the original. If you get no good matches, crop out distracting areas, convert to PNG or JPG, or search a prominent detail. Small changes often reveal new results. If the reverse search fails repeatedly, clear Chrome's cache, confirm the network connection, and update the browser. Alternatively, try Bing or TinEye for complementary reverse image algorithms, which often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.